We invite you on a remarkable journey, a journey through the heart of nation that has transformed itself with vision, determination, and innovation.
Once upon a time, the world looked India through a narrow frame, a land of struggles, poverty, and unfulfilled potential. But they could not see a silent strength in the heart of 1.4 billion people. Today, the same India starts reborn, an India that builds, that innovates, that inspires. This is the Viksit Bharat, a nation rising not by the chance but by the collective will of its people.
Today, four distinguished delegates from different parts of the world have landed in India. The country once anew as a developing nation with preconceived notions, a little curiosity, a lot of doubt. They have arrived in India expecting to see the India of the past.
But what awaits them is a new India, an India that has not just grown but risen, an India that blends ancient wisdom with modern excellence, an India that stands tall among the developed nations of the world.
So, this is India. The world says it has transformed beyond imagination. But can a nation change this much?
We have stories, modern technology, empower women, a youth that analyzes innovations. But is this truly the case here? We need evidence, real visible progress.
Then let's witness it ourselves. Let us not believe reports or headlines, but let the people of India show us their journey.
Then come, let's see the new India with our own eyes.
And so begin this exploration, a journey across the heartbeat of a nation, a journey to discover the India that dreams fearlessly, works tirelessly, and rises gloriously. This is the India they came to see.
Long before today's India learned to soar, our constitution laid a foundation for equality. A decade with courage and conviction that every woman in India is free. Free to think, free to learn, free to work, free to dream, and free to stand equal with every citizen of this nation. Our constitution made special articles for the protection of women. It protects through educational schemes like Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya, CBSE Udhan, National Scheme of Incentive for Girl Student Scholarship Programs and Digital Learning under PM eVidya. It ensures that every girl, rural or urban, has a right to equality education through job opportunities in IAS, IPS, IFS, ISRO, DRDO, railways, banking, and even in the front lines of Indian Army, Navy, Air Force through Agniveer scheme. The nation tells every daughter, there is no field that is not yours, no sky that you cannot conquer. This is India that believes when woman rises, entire nation rises with her. Let us witness this rise. Let us witness the strength of daughters of Viksit Bharat.
Beta, IS officer, pilot, engineer, these dreams are too big for us. And for you, what if the world tell a girl cannot do all this? I am scared, not of your dreams, but the hurdleness may you face.
Papa, when wings exist, why fear the sky? Today India gives every girl the right to dream big. Yes, of course, challenges will come, but is not that what makes the victory brighter. I don't want to break the rules, Papa. I want to break the limits. If boys can reach stars, so can I. India's daughter now aim for moon and beyond.
The world is shining, and so is our India. Let her fly, G, let her shine. Why should fear desire her future? Like courage, guide her instinct. Our daughter's dreams are not a burden, they are her strength.
She is not just Nari Shakti Vandan Adhiniyam, 3% of reservation for women in parliament, Udan scheme for STEM girls, PM eVidya and Nari Shakti Puraskar.
This is not India we imagined. This is a nation lifting every girl toward the skies.
Amazing. We expected to see We expected to see progress, but it's unbelievable.
When a woman studies, a family rises. When a woman works, a society grows. And when a woman rises, the nation soars. आज है नारी का उड़ान, बढ़ रहा है देश की पहचान. In the new era of Viksit Bharat, technology is not just the subject, it is the movement. The Indian Constitution gave every citizen the freedom to think, innovate and create. And today, India uses that freedom to build up a future driven by science, powered by digital vision and guided by countless government missions. From the Digital India to Startup India, from the Adult Tinkering Labs to ISRO missions, the government has opened the doors for youth to dream beyond the boundaries. Technology is no longer limited to big cities. Every village, every school, every student now has the power to innovate.
This clever AI robot, we built it under the Atal Innovation Mission. It can detect objects, answer questions, and even analyze voice patterns. Earlier, such technology was seen only in foreign labs, but now Indian students creating classrooms like ours.
And this became possible because of government support with Digital India. We got access to fast internet through Skills of India. We learned coding, AI, robots, and to make in India. We got tools to build real machines. Today, India is not following technology. India is leading it.
Namaste. India is not just ongoing